Today is April 5th. So, what is special about today? When checking the calendar, it's showing that it's the birthday of Jagjeevan Ram. Even most of the government sectors and public sectors are given holiday. When I questioned regarding Jagjeevan Ram, no one has given correct information in my circle. But even those who are enjoying the holiday did not give the answer. First, who is Babu Jagjeevan Ram? Why do we need to have a holiday on this day and why is government giving it? Is he such a special person? So, with these questions, I googled regarding Babu Jagjeevan Ram. As per the Wikipedia, Jagjeevan Ram was born on April 5, 1908 and died on 6 July 1986. He was born in Bihar. He was the Indian independence activist and also politician from Bihar. He was popularly known as Babuji. He was actively involved in the foundation of the All India Depressed League, an association dedicated to the attaining equality for untouchables in 1935, and was elected to the Bihar Legislative Assembly in 1937. In 1946, he became youngest minister in Jawaharlal Nehru's interim government, the first cabinet of India as the Labour Minister and also the member of Constitution Assembly of India. He served as the Defence Minister at India during the Indo-Pak War of 1971, which resulted in the creation of Bangladesh. His contributions to the Green Revolution in India and modernization Indian agriculture during his 2 tenure as Union Agriculture Minister is still remembered and cherished, especially during the 1974 drought when he was asked to hold the additional portfolio to tide over the food crisis. Early education of Jagjeevan Rao. Young Jagjeevan started schooling at a local school in January 1914. He joined the Agarwal's middle school in Ara in 1920. He faced a lot of caste discrimination for the first time, yet it remained unfazed. An often cited incident occurred in his school. There was a tradition of having 2 pots at a school, one for Hindus and one for Muslims. And Jagjeevan drank from the second pot. And this matter has been reported to the principal. After that, he placed the 3rd pot for untouchables in the school. Jagjeevan broke this pot twice in protest until the principal decided against the 3rd pot. So, in my research, I also found some more information that when he was studying in Banaras Hindu University in Varanasi, he was not served meals in his hostel just because he was from scheduled caste. Now, the university today has set up a Babu Jagjeevan Ram chair in its Faculty of Social Sciences to study caste discrimination and also economic backwardness. He was even denied haircut by the local barbers. A Dalit barber would arrive from Gazipur from time to time to trim his hair. As per my opinion, I think instead of giving holidays on such special days, maybe they can have programs and celebrations related to the day, like having role plays, speeches, debates, elocutions, quizzes, essay readings, and so on. So, in my opinion, this is what I have collected about Babu Jagjeevan Rao. Hope you enjoyed it and have gained some knowledge. Thank you.